more people, I'm single-handedly fucking up. I'm causing climate change. Oh wait, we've been doing this for like 3 years, so I might have caused some serious climate change down there in a short amount of time. Good El Paso.
So, the first thing is smell the red number 2. Put this over the right. Listen, how was like that on
So they were like, wow! We normally take the meters down at 146. In the morning, let's go out there like 6:30, 47 or something. The light starts to come up. I start hanging at 20-foot meters and behind my head. They're pretty aggressive.
Hey Mark, where you been?
Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Long time no see. Just want to kind of give you a little update on where the hell I've been. So I've actually changed jobs. I've changed careers a little bit. I no longer work security, now I work delivery. Unfortunately, it's been eating up a lot of my time. Plus, you know, I've been focusing a lot on work, you know, getting the job down, getting used to it. It's just something I've not done before, so I want to make a good impression with the bosses and whatnot. So, you know, there had been a few days I just was too tired to go out and film videos, or I just wasn't in the mood, or, you know, something. So that's just kind of where I've been. So just want to keep you guys in the fold. I am going to probably make videos again soon, probably on a regular basis once the schedule gets, you know, worked out and I'm not getting called in on my days off all the time. So over here at Fernbark's place, just kind of hanging out. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.
Hey cocksucker.